The Resurgam project aims to improve the productivity of European shipyards by introducing low-cost friction stir welding systems for steel that can be retrofitted to their existing CNC machines, developing robotic friction stir welding systems that will enable underwater ship repairs anywhere in the world without the need for dry port. These innovations are backed by Industry 4.0 with AI capabilities. Partners. Resurgam is composed of a multidisciplinary consortium with the relevant complementary expertise and capabilities. European shipbuilding and maintenance stakeholders. Research organizations. And specialist industrial SMEs. Developments. FSW process developments in steel. Friction stir welding is a solid-state welding process that works through frictional heat and mechanical mixing. FSW is cleaner, stronger, more efficient and safer than traditional welding methods. Introducing friction stir welding to steel is a challenge. It was necessary to develop new tools for welding in order to withstand the abrasive, highly reactive, high force and high temperature service conditions of the friction stir welding environment. To ensure the quality of the process, it was necessary to investigate the microstructures generated in steel friction stir welding and assess how they influence the mechanical properties of the welds made. Friction stir welding head. A friction stir welding head has been developed for use on existing CNC milling machines. This modular head will allow companies to implement friction stir welding technology with a reduced investment. The application challenge of the friction stir welding head for steel requires it to be larger, more robust, capable of applying higher forces, and with a higher thermal energy dissipation capability than its predecessors used for aluminium welding. Underwater welding. Friction stir welding offers potential technical and economic benefits when used for welding underwater. It can be automated for underwater deployment and does not encounter the problems with water currents and pressure that afflict arc welding. Being able to carry out a patch repair to a ship's hull, perhaps even whilst the vessel is in harbor carrying out normal loading or unloading operations, is a far better proposition than having to take the vessel out of service and into a dry dock, for what might otherwise have been a simple welding operation. Industry 4.0, Resurgam's digital backbone. In order to tie together the technical efforts underpinning the development of steel friction stir welding and to make its application viable in the shipbuilding and ship repair sectors, a digital platform provides infrastructure and control capabilities for the friction stir welding robot for underwater repairs and facilitates the exchange of technical information between the project partners. Friction stir welding opens the door to automated and consistent welds in many environments, including air, water, oil and even vacuum. The Resurgam project can be implemented in other industrial sectors with applications such as civil engineering, oil and gas, defense or power generation.